Good afternoon and good morning, traders. This is Taylor from the tradinganalyst.com, and this is your September 28th, 2016 midday market report. And we're going to go over a bunch of hourly charts, including the S&P 500, Tesla, and several others. But first, if you're not already a member, go ahead and visit the home page of the website. If you like the videos and you like the analysis that we do for free, it's nothing compared to what the membership has to offer. And the best part is it's a free 7-day trial, so you can take the membership out for a spin for free for 7 days and see what it's all about. So let's get into these charts here. First one I want to take a look at is the S&P 500 hourly chart here. Now, you can see here that we have a nice uptrend line right here on the hourly chart, starting from these lows over here on the 12th of this month. Got a couple touches here, 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 and the last touch was right here, and we got long on a couple weeks out calls right here, and we sold this morning at this gap fill. Nice trade for our members there. But moving forward for SPX, we still have this trend line as support right here, and we still have this level as support where we bounced from yesterday. Right around 2145.50 or so is going to be that support. You can see how many candles bounced off of that level. So that's going to act as a nice support right there. Bulls, that's what you want to see hold. Okay. Above us, we still have this gap up here to fill, and that's right around 277. I'm sorry, 2177. Okay, so just be aware of that. Trend line, gap fill. Until this trend line breaks, we've still been in an uptrend since these lows over here that were made on the 12th of this month. So I'm going to move on to the next chart right here, Netflix hourly chart. So Netflix hourly chart, I want to point out a downtrend that we have right here. Here's a high, some lower highs. Look at how many rejections we have at this level right here. Okay. Another thing I want to point out here is we also have a gap fill right here that remains unfilled, and that's right around $98. I'll get that exact level, the close of that candle, 98.25 right there. 98.25 is that candle, and you want to look for that potentially to fill, but there's resistance right here. See how many candles bounced off of it as support? Well, now that level is going to be resistance, and that lines up perfectly with this downtrend line right here. So just be aware of that for Netflix. I'm going to cover a price line hourly chart. If you watched yesterday's midday market report, we had this downtrend line drawn for you, and you can see that we got hit against it today, and we're about $10 lower since hitting that. So definitely keep up with these midday market reports. They're going to be helpful for you. Next, I want to take a look at Tesla. And Tesla, again, this is another update here. We did this yesterday. We have a trend line break right here on the hourly chart. This is a really nice trend line. You can see how many touches we have right here as well, here, and then we finally broke through it right here. And look at where we topped out today. Okay, I did not adjust this trend line. This trend line was just drawn like that. We came up here and we got rejected at this retest of the trend line, and now we have this new downtrend line as well. So we have an uptrend line that we broke, and then a downtrend line that we broke, and then if you zoom in a little bit, I'll zoom in right here, and you can see that there's also resistance there as well, right around there. So see how many candles we had as support against this level? And now that's resistance, right around 208, right? Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it as always. Again, If you're not already a member, go ahead and give the membership out for a spin. It's free for 7 days. We'd love to have you. We'll see you next time.